Welcome to the first Getting Started tutorial. Part 1 is about the basic gym settings. In this part we will cover the basics: requesting a business account, how the menus work, organizing and uploading your images, adding your basic gym info, changing the header and logo, and finally checking on the hold and tape colors you're using for your gym. To get your gym started, go to climbcheck.com/get-started. Fill in this Getting Started form with all your gyms and company info. Once verified, we will add your gym. You will then be able to manage all aspects of the gym. About the menus. The top bar holds a search bar where you can find other climbers and gyms. In the future you can also find competition and other stuff here. Next to it is an overview of the gyms where you're a member. And right next to it is a edit your profile and logout link. On the left is the sidebar menu. And the top of the sidebar menu is your personal menu, which edits your profile, your climbed routes, your sets and your own file browser. Underneath it is the gyms menu, which holds the sectors and the topo menu items. To edit parts of your gym, you must be in manage mode. In the top bar is a switch, which you can click on. You go to manage mode. Now the sidebar menu is changed to all manage items. Files and images. Let's add some images we're going to use later. Under settings, go to file browser. Here you can organize images into folders. I already have a folder for my sector images and circuit images. You can organize your files and folders just like on your own computer. For now it's not possible to change the file names or move them to another folder. We're working on fixing this. We've created a few samples to help you with the circuit images. Click the downloads link in the footer. On this downloads page are a few samples of circuit images. You can download these and change these if you want. There is also a tutorial on how to change the colors of these labels. Basic gym settings. In the menu, go to settings and click the first item, Gym Basics. Alright, the basic info page. The first tab, About, holds your name. You can add your phone number and intro text. This is a little bit about your gym, give some information about it. The facilities, here you can select what your gym has to offer, like a bar of food, showers, fitness. If you have a slackline or auto belay. Underneath that is the opening date. What was the first day your gym opened up? The logo, this logo is not the one in the theme and the header, so in the layout, but this is the one appearing in the finder and in menus and stuff like that. The address tab, here you can add your street, zip code, city, country. And that's social. You can add your own website, your Facebook page, Twitter page. This is easy for climbers. They can click on it and visit your social media websites. Then we have your opening hours. So this is easy for climbers to see if you're open or not. Make sure you click published when you're done. When you click published, it will be visible, so you can show it to climbers. The topo mode, this is a bit tricky one. Here you can select if you only use a single topo or you use multiple topos. For example, single topo is usually used by bouldering gyms we have a boulder topo, and the boulder topo has X amount of circuits, so they don't have all kinds of complicated topos. We'll go more into detailed in the topo tutorial. Alright, let's save this. Theme and layout. In the menu, go to settings and then theme and layout. Let's change the header image and logo for now. The logo decides the height of the header. The minimum height is 100 pixels and the maximum height is 300 pixels. Here is an example of the minimum height of 100 pixels. You can see here that you should add some padding around the logo. Basically, it's a transparent border. You can read in our guide how to add this transparent border. The top one, you can see the dotted line is the image, and the bottom one here doesn't have any padding, so it looks really stuffed in there, so you should add some padding. And here is the same logo, but this time it has the maximum height of 350 pixels. The top one again has the padding. It doesn't look really nice without the padding you see in the bottom here. So you should add some padding. Read it in the guide how to do that. It's really easy. The header can be a single long image around 1600 pixels wide, and it should have the height of the logo, because the height of the logo decides the height of the header. If the logo is 100 pixels high, the header will be 100 pixels high. If the logo is 200 pixels high, the header will be 200 pixels high. So you can add a single image, or you can add a seamless image, also called a tiled image, to create a really cool background. Let's add a tiled background here. In the file browser, I'm going to upload this concrete background, select it and click save. And this is how our theme looks like now. Hold and tape colors. Under settings, go to hold and tape colors. We already added a series of default colors. You can change these around, or you can create new ones. Let's change this green one and make it a bit darker. Click the green icon. Let's change this green and make it a bit darker. That's the way we want it. And click save. Let's add a new color. Click create new color. Add the name of the color and select the primary color. If you want to use a second color, click the checkbox use second color and choose your second color. This will not change until you change the layout to whatever you want. We're going to try out checker and hit save. The new color is added. So now we've added the basic info to the gym. You can get more help and read more in the guides. You can find this at support.climbcheck.com. If you have any specific questions, don't hesitate to email at help@climbcheck.com. Alright, in part 2 I'm going to explain all about your members and the roles they have, the permissions they have, what they're allowed to do in your gym. Alright, thanks for watching and good luck.